Bay leaf tea, made from the leaves of the bay laurel tree, is more than just a flavorful drink. It is a herbal tea known for its medicinal properties and health benefits. The bay laurel tree, native to the Mediterranean, has been used in various cultures for thousands of years to treat a wide range of ailments. The benefits of bay leaf tea are diverse, and the natural compounds found in bay leaves can support your health in several ways. Here are the top 10 benefits of drinking bay leaf tea. Number 1. Supports digestive health. One of the primary reasons people turn to bay leaf tea is its ability to support digestive health. Bay leaves contain natural compounds like eugenol, which help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes. These enzymes help break down food more efficiently, promoting better digestion. By aiding in the breakdown of complex food molecules, bay leaf tea helps prevent indigestion, bloating, and discomfort. Drinking bay leaf tea regularly after meals can also prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. The compounds in bay leaves also help soothe the stomach and reduce inflammation in the gut, which can be beneficial for people who suffer from conditions like acid reflux or irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. It may also reduce gas and help relieve symptoms of nausea. Bay leaf tea's mild diuretic effect can help reduce bloating caused by excess water retention, making it an excellent post-meal drink for feeling lighter and more comfortable. Number 2. Regulates blood sugar levels. Bay leaf tea has shown promise in regulating blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for those managing type 2 diabetes or those looking to keep their blood sugar in check. Several studies have suggested that bay leaves can improve insulin sensitivity, which helps the body use insulin more effectively. This, in turn, helps regulate blood glucose levels. Bay leaf tea contains compounds such as polyphenols and flavonoids, which have been found to have anti-diabetic properties. These compounds may help prevent sudden blood sugar spikes after meals, which is particularly important for individuals with diabetes. Regular consumption of bay leaf tea can complement a healthy diet and exercise regimen, helping maintain stable blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of developing insulin resistance. Number 3. Promotes heart health. The antioxidants in bay leaf tea play a vital role in promoting cardiovascular health. Bay leaves contain compounds like flavonoids, which help reduce oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress can damage the cells and blood vessels, leading to an increased risk of heart disease. By neutralizing free radicals, bay leaf tea can reduce the risk of damage to the arteries and improve overall heart health. Moreover, bay leaf tea can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, which is a significant risk factor for heart disease. The tea's anti-inflammatory properties also help reduce the inflammation in the blood vessels, allowing for better blood flow and reducing the likelihood of plaque buildup. Drinking bay leaf tea regularly may improve circulation, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Number 4. Boosts immunity. Bay leaf tea is a rich source of vitamins and minerals that support immune function. It is high in vitamin C, which is known for its immune-boosting properties. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections. In addition to vitamin C, bay leaves contain vitamin A, which plays a role in maintaining the health of the skin and mucous membranes that act as barriers against pathogens. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of bay leaves further enhance its ability to protect the body from harmful invaders. Drinking bay leaf tea regularly can help boost your immunity, reduce your risk of colds and infections, and improve your body's ability to fight off diseases. Number 5. Aids in respiratory relief. Bay leaf tea can also provide relief for respiratory issues. The tea's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation in the airways, making it easier to breathe. This makes bay leaf tea an excellent natural remedy for conditions such as bronchitis, asthma, and the common cold. It can help clear nasal passages and reduce symptoms like coughing, wheezing, and congestion. The compounds in bay leaves can also help thin mucus, making it easier to expel and clearing the respiratory tract. This can help prevent respiratory infections and promote better lung health. Drinking bay leaf tea during cold and flu season can help keep your respiratory system clear and functioning optimally. Number 6. Acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, Chronic inflammation is a key factor in many health conditions, including arthritis, heart disease, and diabetes. Bay leaf tea contains compounds such as eugenol and caffeic acid, which have strong anti-inflammatory effects. By drinking bay leaf tea regularly, you can help reduce systemic inflammation and alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions like arthritis. In addition to its internal benefits, bay leaf tea can also help soothe external inflammation, such as muscle or joint pain. Its ability to reduce swelling and inflammation makes it an effective remedy for easing sore muscles and reducing joint stiffness. Whether you are dealing with a chronic inflammatory condition or just sore muscles, bay leaf tea can provide relief. Number 7. Improves skin health. Bay leaf tea is an excellent natural remedy for promoting healthy, clear skin. The antioxidants in bay leaves help fight free radicals, which can damage skin cells and contribute to premature aging. Drinking bay leaf tea regularly can help protect your skin from the effects of oxidative stress and prevent fine lines, wrinkles, and other signs of aging. Additionally, bay leaves contain antimicrobial properties that can help combat acne-causing bacteria. Drinking bay leaf tea can help cleanse the body from the inside out, which may lead to clearer skin and fewer breakouts. Its detoxifying properties also help remove toxins that can contribute to skin problems, leading to healthier, more radiant skin. Number 8. Supports weight loss. Bay leaf tea can be a helpful addition to a weight loss routine. The tea contains compounds that help stimulate metabolism, making it easier for your body to burn fat. Additionally, bay leaf tea acts as a mild diuretic, helping to reduce water retention and bloating. This can make you feel lighter and slimmer, even before significant fat loss occurs. Drinking bay leaf tea may also help suppress appetite, making it easier to stick to a calorie-controlled diet. By boosting metabolism and reducing cravings, bay leaf tea can support weight loss efforts when combined with a healthy diet and exercise routine. Number 9. Reduces stress and anxiety. Bay leaf tea can have a calming effect on the mind and body. The compounds in bay leaves, including linalool, have been shown to help reduce stress and anxiety by promoting relaxation. Drinking a cup of bay leaf tea before bed can help calm your nerves and improve sleep quality. The soothing effects of bay leaf tea can also help alleviate tension and promote a sense of mental clarity. If you're feeling overwhelmed or stressed, a cup of bay leaf tea can help calm your mind and ease anxiety. It's an excellent natural remedy for managing everyday stress and promoting a relaxed state of mind. Number 10. Detoxifies the body. Bay leaf tea acts as a powerful natural detoxifier. The compounds in bay leaves stimulate the liver and kidneys, encouraging the removal of toxins and waste products from the body. This detoxifying effect helps purify the blood and supports overall health by ensuring that harmful substances are flushed out. Regular consumption of bay leaf tea can improve liver function, enhance digestion, and reduce the toxic buildup that can affect your health. It also helps to keep your urinary system in check by promoting regular urination, further aiding in the elimination of toxins. By drinking bay leaf tea, you support your body's natural detoxification processes and feel refreshed and rejuvenated. Bay leaf tea is more than just a delicious herbal beverage, it is packed with numerous health benefits. From supporting digestion and regulating blood sugar to promoting heart health and boosting immunity, bay leaf tea is a natural powerhouse. Whether you're looking to relieve stress, improve skin health, or detoxify your body, incorporating bay leaf tea into your daily routine can have a positive impact on your overall health. So, why not try a cup of bay leaf tea and experience its benefits for yourself? If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.